anybody wanting to get off at our stop number 1. This is our stop.
This is the harbor terminal for the cruise ship. I love it. You can actually see the design of the sailboats there.
Thank you.
This is where we got off our cruise ship. And this is where we stopped and had a quick bite to eat. Great place at the harbor.
Go back to the lookout.
Lookout, just back that way. There you go. Hey, how's it going?
And this is where we started our
So I ran these houses that was going to be running out of power, right? And now it's at 64%. So then I'm going to exit this there, also going to keep. Look at, even though I turn everything's closed, but it's still talking. That's weird. I'm just going to turn it off too. Because I already have a tablet there, right? Now turned off, actually I turned it off then. So.
You're gonna leave to Sunny?
Around 2:30.
To Sunny. Oh, okay.
Or maybe 2:32 or something like that.
Okay.
There's the harbor. Hey, Mark. So come with us, Eva and Mark, and we take you all over Vancouver, the rest of Canada, US, and the world to find everything beautiful and exciting.